This is a hub removal on a BMW e36. The car has 234,000 miles on it and the hubs have never been off. Currently I'm locking the hub so I can get out the E14 screws at the other end of the axle next to the hub. Okay, this was the hardest part of the project, getting the splined axle out of the hub. It was frozen, you would not believe. And I beat on it for a couple of hours, and then I read online from a guy with the screen name of Koopy Coop about using a puller that's slightly loose like this. This screw is from my gear puller, but it fits, it's got the same size thread. And you tighten this up as hard as you can, and then you beat on the end of it with a sledge. And so having all that pressure, and then you smack it with your sledge, will break it loose. And so I was able to, I had spent about an hour and a half to 2 hours beating on it with conventional methods, using PB Blaster, CRC Freeze Off, all those different products. Beating it with a small sledge, beating it with a big sledge. But the way that got it off was this little setup. This is made for a slide hammer hub removal. And that's what got it apart. And so this is where we are now. And so now the axle is out. And I can start to my hub removal. This hub has never been out of the car, off the car, and the car has 234,000 miles and it's a 97. I've got the hub puller with a slide hammer, and we'll see how hard this is to pull off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10 blows and we have the hub off. Not too bad. And next we'll press out the bearing. Cool. Okay, now we're going to try to get the snap ring out. I've sprayed some solvent on it. Got to loosen it up. It's been in here forever. Let's see. Oh, here we go. It's loose. Good. Okay. Snap ring pliers. Yeah. Okay, snap ring out. Now let's see. Here's my bearings. Looks like the grease is chapped out. And now I'm going to pull out the rest of what's left. You'll see that the outer race is still attached to the hub. On the other side, I scored it, on the other hub, I scored it on one side, then the other side, and then tapped it apart with a hammer. I've already got the bearing out. I use the Harbor Freight tool for that, and there's plenty of videos to show you how to do that.